Hi everyone, in this video, we'll talk about Mac OS's Genie Minimize effect. This effect is widely used in Apple's Mac OS. In this video, we are going to try to apply it to Windows 11. If you want this effect and many more animation effects on your Windows PC, watch my video until the end and follow each step as mentioned. So, let's get straight to the video. Our first step is to disconnect the PC from any internet connection because we are using cracked software in this tutorial. We don't want any updates or any kind of internet connectivity during the installation of the software. After disconnecting the internet, we need to create a restore point. Go to the search icon, type restore, click on create a restore point and make the restore point. It is very important because if you make any mistakes, it will be a safeguard for you. Now, let's turn off our antivirus for a while. Some antivirus programs detect cracked software as malware because of the null license file. But don't worry, it's completely safe. Next, extract the downloaded file to your desktop. After that, open the extracted folder and run the stardock window fxexe file. Follow the installation instructions, and at the end, when WindowFX asks for an activation key or offers to purchase the software, simply close that window. Now, let's patch WindowFX with this patch file. Copy the file and paste it into the installation location of WindowFX on your Windows drive. From there, run the patch file and click the patch button. After applying the patch, we need to restart the PC. Once the PC restarts, turn the antivirus back on. Now, go to the Start menu and run WindowFX. Congratulations, you have successfully cracked WindowFX. Next, untick the Automatic Updates check option and enable the main WindowFX features button. Finally, head over to the Animations section. Here, you'll find lots of animation effects with their previews. To get the Genie effect, you must follow the settings I have configured. Otherwise, feel free to explore other settings on your own. After applying all the animations, you'll see this cool result on your Windows PC. Enjoy these cool animations and stay tuned.